I got results drinking this in 3 days. This is so intense. It will get your tummy flat, improve your digestion, keep your body in shape. It will also improve your gut health and you will be so healthy and fit. So, the first thing you need for this recipe is to get some lemons. As you all know, lemon is rich in vitamin C and it helps remove toxins from the body. Lemon contains a lot of enzymes. These are the enzymes you need in your system to break down food stored or facilitate the metabolic process and help you lose your fat easily. This is so good. This is why lemon is one of the most healthiest or fat burning fruits you can ever think of. So I first of all get my lemons. I'm actually using 2 lemons for this recipe. You take your time and wash your lemon thoroughly in order to remove every form of sand that may have come with it from the market or from the store where you got it. So I took my time and washed this lemon very well. Then I'll go ahead and slice it. You can slice it to whatever shape you want. You do not necessarily need to peel off the back. So you'll be cutting it with the peel. So I go ahead and cut it into a small pot, including the seeds. I'm not trashing the seeds because all these has its functions. So I'm going to go in with everything. So I'll go ahead and cut in the second lemon right now. Please ensure that you're using fresh lemons for this recipe in order to get the results you were looking for. The second very powerful ingredient you need here is ginger. Ginger is thermogenic, which helps heat up the system. It facilitates the fat burning process. It improves your metabolic rate and helps your system burn down fat super fast. So you get your ginger. You may decide to peel off the back or not, but ensure that you wash it properly to remove every form of sand. After doing this, you go ahead and chop your ginger into the pot where you had chopped in your lemon. Don't forget also that ginger has anti-inflammatory properties, and that is so good at relieving your system from gases. The gases that make your tummy bloated and big all the time. So I took out time to wash this ginger properly because a lot of these gingers come with so much sand. So you have to ensure that you're washing it properly to avoid sand. And then the last thing you need is garlic. Some people don't like the smell, but garlic is a natural antibiotic and works wonders for the heart and immune system. Garlic improves digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels, both of which can support fat loss. When combined with lemon and ginger, it works as a natural fat burning mix because all three boost metabolism and digestion. This drink is so strong and intense. Just drink this morning and evening and watch how this will speed up your metabolic rate. And before you know it, you are breaking down fat without realizing because you have those enzymes in your system needed to speed up your metabolic rate. As you're drinking this, you want to stay away from large portions of meal. I'm not saying you should starve yourself because starving yourself is not a solution, but stay away from heavy portions of meals. Eat in little portions. Drink this and watch how you will burn fat, relaxing in your bed and burning fat because you have all the secret ingredients in this recipe that will get everything done for you in no time. You will look so healthy and vibrant. Plus, this is something you should incorporate in your life, not just drinking once and then you give up. So after cutting everything into one pot, I go in with 2 cups of water. Yes, I'm using 2 cups of water for this recipe. After which, I'll go ahead and place this on fire. I'm going to be boiling this on my cooker. Say 2 to 5 minutes. This should get boiled. And then you turn off the heat. Then you go ahead and pour it into a cup. Relax and enjoy this. So this drink here, a combination of lemon, ginger and garlic is amazing. I mean, it cleanses you up. It cleanses up your system. You're going to feel light. You will even feel it in your system. I mean, this is something I have personally tried. So go ahead and try this. Come back and tell me how you feel about it. And I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for your time and thank you for watching. Bye.